Hello, everyone. I just want to give a shout out to Ivan Liu, who is a phenomenal vocal singing coach. I just did his 8 week singing boot camp, and it was amazing and very fun. Before I was coached by Ivan, I was clueless and timid with singing, and I didn't know where to start or how to practice singing. I hated the way that I sound, and I couldn't even carry a tune. But after being coached by Ivan, I've made a lot of progress in singing. I'm now more confident and proud that my wife was impressed with my voice after the singing course. I love the fact that Ivan didn't give me a cookie cutter singing course. He actually took the time to evaluate my voice and customize the lessons to help me learn how to sing effectively, and not just bombarded me with traditional practice and tools. I would recommend Ivan to any beginners like me who wants to learn how to sing. So thank you, Ivan. You gave me hope, courage, and the confidence to pursue my passion in singing.